Hey all, it's Vicky from Sun Country Girl Designs. I got my prize from Cotton Cuts for winning the quilt division of the Snippets challenge. And we are going to open her up and see what all I got. So let's take a peek. Super excited. I think my iron's in here. I'm not sure what else is in here. Ooh. Congratulations on winning our Snippets challenge. So sorry for the delay. Team Cotton Cuts. Okay, it's just my iron. I shook this thing. I'm debating if there was any fabric in here yet. Let's take a look. Oh, of course my dogs are gonna bark now. Please don't feed the fish. Ooh, it's so exciting. The Tula Pink. You can do it. Saving the box. We're gonna put some scraps in there or something. It'll be good for that. Ooh, she's so pretty. Oh, I hope the colors are coming out good. Look at her. Tula Pink. Alright. I love it. It's a decent size. You know, not too big, not too small. And I can keep it over here next to me and not heat up this whole room with it on. So, great. I probably won't put any water on it. I use spray bottle, flatter spray or something. And use her as a dry iron. I gotta get the book out. Read the directions. But there she is. She is so pretty. Thank you, Cotton Cuts. And that's it for that part. I'll show you something I just finished the other day. I've been making feedback totes, and then I finally made something out of my coffee bags. I'm super excited. I also got 2 zippers on there that work. So amazing. And I'm going to start using this for my cell phone. It fits in there just perfect. And my cards, my driver's license. I just need to put a strap on the back. So this one, it's been a goal of mine for a while. I've been saving these coffee bags for a couple years now. And then after I saw the candy bag zippies, I like, I have to learn how to make something with my coffee bags. So this is my first one, and I got many more that I'm going to make. It's only my 3rd time, well, 2nd time doing zippers. I got 2 on there. So, super happy about that. And I also need to get my actually quilt machine out and do some more with it and redeem myself after the mistakes made video. Because I tried to put too much fabric to the side of my machine and it was awful. But if I ever get the big machine, the electric one, my fabric will fit through there and I won't have to worry about cutting it. So, another goal, eventually get to go big. So, I guess that's it for now. And I appreciate y'all watching. And again, thank you Cotton Cuts for the iron. I love it. And I can't wait to also get the fabric for the Puzzle Mystery Quilt. I got, and get started on it. And I will be recording my progress on that. So, thanks everybody. Please subscribe and hit the like button. And see you next time.